Hello guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to unban Ome TV on an iPhone. This method works on Safari or any other browser. First, I will open my browser and go to the Ome TV website. As you can see, my account is currently banned. Now close this tab and open your browser history. Tap on delete and choose all time. After that, close your browser and open it again. Now go back to Ome TV and you will see the login screen. Click on continue with Google and sign in using a new Gmail account. Once you do that, Ome TV will start working again. Keep in mind, steps may be different on the browser you are using. But the main thing is to clear all the history on the browser where you got banned, like Safari or Chrome. Also, this video is not about breaking ban, it's about signing out and connecting a new account on Ome TV. Thanks for watching.